be experimenting. I've been saying I wanted a pixie cut for a long time, so I got this pixie cut wig. It's human hair. I just washed it after attempting to bleach the knots. I'm trying to be an ultimate black girl, and the pixie cut on black girls are just... You heard music in the background, I'm playing music, but... So I'm finna do something with this, and hopefully it come out cute. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is probably put concealer on the lace before I cut it. I don't usually do stuff like that, but my sister said that that's good to do, I guess, so. So y'all, the backstory behind that intro. So I bought 2 of these wigs from TikTok shop, and my sister was like, let me style the other one and we make a collab video of who can style it better. So I will style mine on my channel, she would style hers on her channel. And I was like, okay, that's a cool video idea. Then all this other stuff started going on behind the scenes, and I'm just like, dog, just a whole lot of S that I don't feel like explaining. So right now I'm just putting in a little concealer on the lace. That probably look crazy. I'm finna throw this mug on. We gonna see how it look. It's still wet from when I washed it, so this is making me cringe. Ooh. I'm gonna put the edges in it and everything, but right now I'm gonna attempt to cut the lace. I don't know nothing about cutting lace, so I'm just gonna cut in the middle and then... Okay, y'all, this is when voiceover me takes over. And I actually don't like doing voiceovers because, no. But with this pixie cut, I was trying to go for a fluffy look, but y'all obviously don't know how to do that. So it ended up kind of looking like Michael Jackson type S, but that's okay. Like not too much, like. That looks terrible. And y'all, that's old henna on my arm or on my hand. Don't even look at that. Like, I don't want to have to glue this down, but y'all, I don't like gluing wigs down to my head because no, like, I don't like gluing stuff down to my head. So I ended up covering the lace with edges, but man, y'all finna see. Like, I'm gonna attempt to do some edges over this because I don't want to have to glue it down because I don't know how to glue down a wig.
My camera don't work, so you just make me do it.
Why do it not work?
It don't have the SD card.
I need to dry more. It's still too wet. Y'all, when I tell y'all these edges, you would think doing edges is easy because all you gotta do is swoop it and then curl it and then whatever. No, this junk was hard, and I don't know why I was struggling so hard. Like, no, but right here I'm attempting to do some edges. Don't know what the F I'm doing, but. Okay, so this is the edge map of the edge. This is what I'm gonna try to do. Ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut this and try to lay some edges. I'm really not good at laying edges, so this seems like it's too thick. Oh. And I'm pretty sure to get the look that I wanted, rather than that Michael Jackson S, I would have to comb it out to where it's puffy and then take a flat iron and then like I don't know, like just make it fluffy instead of this curly mousse ass wet looking ass. Like, y'all, so I ended up taking this spray and this mousse because I'm thinking mousse gonna keep it in place, and I also didn't have no gel, so I done sprayed this hair, got it wet, pause, and then I done took this mousse and started trying to do some finger wave type edges, dog. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know what's going on. I mean, it ended up being cute, I guess, but I don't know, like I don't know, like. I obviously don't know how to do this. It looks a fool. Anyway, my hair's still wet. I don't know how to make this cute. Y'all, this look crazy. I'm hoping when it dry, it'll like start looking how it's supposed to. Okay, y'all, this is the conclusion. This is how it ended up being in the end. It's kind of giving Tinkerbell fairy, you know what I'm saying? Like the little fairy. I don't know, bruh. Not all the way dry, that's why it's kind of still flat, but I want that fluffy look. And that's not what this is giving. Try to do the edges. They look a little bit crazy, but I gotta give me time. I gotta learn how to do it. Like, I don't know. I want this to be more fluffy, but I think I need a diffuser. Seems like I don't know what I'm doing, but we knew that already. You ready? The F?
What?
So who's better?
It really depends on what you're going for. Reagan's like it's really simple, like a costume. Yours is more like going outside regular.
If you had to put a hairstyle on your head, which one are you picking?
Oh, it's probably yours.
I win.
This is black.
Yours is
No, Reagan, if that was black, that would eat. Cause I wanted the big fluffy look.
It's more costume, like a more Betty Boop, like a costume type of thing. I mean, yours is cute though.
But if it was black or if it was brown, imagine it's in a chocolate brown.
I
You wear this outside.
And I won 4 out of 4.
Everybody said mine was ugly, so. I did not say that for the record.
Yeah, Reagan making up stuff. I think the color.
Which one would I wear? And I said I wear the black one more often.
The color might just be a bit shoulder back.
No, but everybody like taaviaf.
It's just very wet looking. I wanted a more fluffy look, so I wanted that shape with this color. Y'all see how it's so defined in S? I didn't want that. So ask me a question.
My question? How do you feel that everybody think your hair is better than mine?
I think I won off of the color. But low key, what if we switched and didn't ask them again? They picked me.
They glazing.
They just like me better. But y'all, Remy said it's giving Michael Jackson. Maybe she means this part just because it's so whatever. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I try my best.